have the floor, Mr.
Point of
President.
order.
I have the floor, Mr. President,
Point
to
of
make
order,
way
Mr. President.
for
Session-
taking of the
session
oath
is
before the
suspended.
presiding officer.
The point of order takes precedence.
I support the minority's push for the convening of the court because I know they don't have the votes. Wala silang boto. Hindi talaga nila mapupush itong impeachment na to. Although it is still nice for them to stand tall and insist what is right. I believe that 2025 midterm elections are also seen as a plebiscite, a referendum on VP Sara Duterte's impeachment. They do not have the votes. Don't be naive. Lines are drawn, allegiance sworn. Sinasabi natin kailangan maging neutral ang mga senador. Well, they are not. Alam na alam nating ma-acquit yan si Duterte. Ma-acquit yan. Walang question doon. Pero at least, kapag nagkaroon ng trial, magkakalabasan ng baho. Malalaman ng tao kung ano nga ba ang argument ng mga prosecutor at ng defense. If the defense have nothing to worry about, they should let that trial be. Kasi nga diba sinasabi nila, bakit ka matatakot kung wala ka namang ginagawang masama? Well, ganun din yun. Kung wala silang ginawang masama, payagan nilang matuloy yung trial. Ganun ang sinasabi na sa mga aktivista na nagpoprotesta sa fascistic laws like the anti-terror law. Diba?